It's recording. Jessica's typing again. Ah!
Oh, mother. I think I'm gonna kill you or something.
I'm gonna sneeze good. Ow, the sun. It's bright.
That's why you get sunglasses.
I have some. They were stolen by Kai and William, who got it snatched from him. He said he tried to stop it, but he couldn't. Because, you know, Kai's like really, really tall. And William, not.
We should. Well, we were gonna go to break with Mom. Hey, I don't want to go all the way.
Whoa. That was weird. Jessica's driving. Ah! If I don't make it out alive. I'm just kidding.
Oh.
It was a joke.
Yeah, that's
OMG.
all the way out there.
That's a ring. It's a flower, I guess. It's awesome.
I wonder about you, Tyler. Kidding.
Well, you see, when I was 7 years old, I fell off my bed. And I hit my head right here on my forehead. And that's a true story. You can ask my mom.
Based on a true story.
No kidding. I had to go to the doctor, and they said I had a concussion.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So now every time I go to fill out a physical, I have to, they have that little section where it's like, have you ever had head trauma or whatever, concussion, blah, 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 etc. I'm like, yes. At what age? Okay.
Wow.
I'm glad they don't make you explain how it happened, because that would be embarrassing. I fell off a bed.
I would laugh. If I was there, I would have laughed.
You would have too. Chelsea laughed. And then I started to cry, and I had a big bump, and she's like, Mommy, Erin hurt herself.
Under the bridge!
Ah! Oh my gosh, look at the bridge. Look at them all. Ooh, all the orange lights. Ah, other side. Out of the tunnel. Into the light. I see the light. Don't go towards the light.
Go towards the light, dang it.
Trees. Sign.
So what is the quilt for? What are you making your quilt for? For Grandma? Grandma?
Just kidding. Dancing. Ooh, a plane. You can't even see it. Okay, look at it. Mwah. I'm just kidding. People are gonna think I'm crazy, Jessica. Crazy.
What did you do?
I was going like this in front of your camera.
Oh wow. Crazy.
Just a little. Don't tell. Shh. Secret. Nobody was supposed to find out.
Running around a curve. How long are you doing?
Ah, it's outside. Look, trees and cars and a building. Ah. And the sun. Oh, it's bright.
Well, no. Hey,
I know
you
it's
that
bright.
Scientists think that the world's gonna end in the year 2012.
Why?
Mom, I flew it out there. Good Lord. She's all like, oh my gosh. Sometimes you have a habit of thinking it's gonna turn. Yeah, because I used to think it was a green arrow.
Wait, why is the world gonna end? And when why is the world gonna end?
Oh, I don't know. Some scientists were being stupid because, yeah, scientists are stupid.
Yeah.
They have the theory that the world's gonna end in the year 2012.
You know, I was in history class, and we talked about that, but it was in like 50 something or whatever when people thought the world was going to end, and it didn't happen.
What
And
year
everybody,
did they not?
huh?
What year did they say it was gonna end?
I don't know, like 1600s. I don't know before that.
We wouldn't be here right now.
Exactly, and we are. I don't know. It caused like a bunch of righty stuff. People got mad.
Scientists' theories, I believe, are the ones in the Bible.
Yeah, like the world's not going to end. Otherwise, if it does, I'm gonna be really mad.
I'm gonna cry.
No.
I never got to go to England if the world ended.
I'm guessing they didn't say how it was going to end either.
They just said that the Earth was gonna, the planets were gonna stop orbiting the sun.
Oh look, we already are. What do? We go around the sun.
No, they said we're gonna stop.
Oh, that you can't stop.
And then we're gonna get so close to the sun, it's gonna go boom.
The only way we would stop is if the sun exploded and we would all die if that happened. I bet you they were they were quote scientists.
I'm driving and dancing.
Multitasking. Woo! Fuzzy stuff. Okay. Oh look, more trees.
You haven't eaten today, have you? Just that salad. You haven't eaten?
Just